Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a knack for accumulating wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, today we delve into the wisdom of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. We'll explore its key lessons and how they can guide you towards financial independence, a state where money ceases to be a worry. Understanding and harnessing this power can transform your life. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to financial success from the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Financial knowledge is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Just as a ship without a compass is bound to lose its way, a person without financial education is likely to falter in the journey of wealth creation. The first key lesson from the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, underscores this very truth. Financial education is not about understanding complex financial jargon, it's about grasping the simple concepts of money management. It's about knowing how to control your income and expenses, how to save, invest, and multiply your wealth. It's about understanding the difference between assets and liabilities and leveraging the power of compound interest. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions. It can be the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and achieving financial freedom. It can help you navigate the often turbulent waters of the financial world with confidence and ease. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Without financial education, wealth is but a fleeting dream. Do you know the difference between an asset and a liability? It's a simple question, but the answer holds the key to wealth creation. Our second lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad revolves around this crucial understanding. Imagine you're holding two buckets. One is marked assets and the other liabilities. Everything you own falls into one of these buckets. Assets are things that put money into your pocket. This could be a rental property, stocks, bonds, or a business. On the other hand, liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like your mortgage, car loan, or credit card debt. The secret to wealth is to fill up your assets bucket while keeping your liabilities bucket as empty as possible. It's not about how much money you earn, but how much money you keep. The rich focus on accumulating assets, not liabilities. Remember, assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take money out. Are you minding your own business financially speaking? This question brings us to the third key lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Focusing on your own financial affairs is pivotal to achieving financial independence. Why? Let's delve a little deeper. Picture this. You're working tirelessly at a job, earning a steady paycheck, and you're content with the security it provides. But is this the path to true wealth? Can you rely on this single source of income forever? The answer, unfortunately, is no. It's essential to create a source of income independent of your regular job. This could be through investing, setting up a side business, or leveraging your skills in other ways. The goal here is not to replace your job, but to supplement your income. The beauty of minding your own business is that it gives you control over your financial destiny. You're no longer solely dependent on your employer or the economy for your livelihood. Remember, a steady paycheck can provide security, but true wealth comes from minding your own business. Are you working hard for money, or is your money working hard for you? This question leads us to the penultimate lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The power of investing. Investing is a tool that can turn the tables, making your money work for you instead of the other way around. It's not just about stashing away a portion of your earnings, but actively seeking opportunities that can provide returns. Investing is the vehicle that drives you towards financial independence. It's the art of creating wealth by leveraging your resources, and it's a skill that can be learned and honed over time. Just as a farmer plants seeds today to reap a harvest tomorrow, your investments are seeds that can grow into a fruitful future. The final lesson is about working to learn, not just to earn. In our pursuit of financial independence, we often overlook the importance of learning. It's not just about acquiring degrees or qualifications, but about gaining practical knowledge and skills that can increase your financial intelligence. This could be anything from learning how to manage finances, understanding the stock market, or even starting a small business. In essence, your job is not just a source of income, but a platform for learning and growth. Remember, the wealthiest people are often those who are lifelong learners, constantly seeking knowledge and opportunities to grow their wealth. In conclusion, financial independence is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning and smart investing.